Hi guys, Megan off leash canine Boise. Meet Luna. Hi, Miss Luna. Luna's our newest 2-week board and train. She is a year-old golden retriever. What are you doing? Luna's family brings her to us because they've had her since she was a puppy, and they say she's a very sweet dog, but she is a very energetic dog. Now that they've had Luna for about a year, there are some areas that they're really struggling with. As you can tell, she's super, super excited. She loves to jump. She loves to put things in her mouth. And they're just finding that it's really hard for them to control her. Hi. Now, in Luna's family, they have a small child. And while Luna gets along really great with the kid, she does have a tendency to bully him. She'll jump up on him. She'll steal food out of his hands. She just gets into a lot of mischief. Even around the house, they can't leave her unattended for very long because she has literally eaten 2 couches. She's starting to dig into the drywall, and they're just finding that it's really hard for them to control her with how much energy she has. So we're going to work on this in lots of different ways. First and foremost, we're going to address her obedience. We want her to have an outlet, so that training is going to be very beneficial. It's also going to help give her some control and structure around the home. So first, that recall command, take her out, let her run, and make sure that she'll come back to them, is going to be very important. We also want to work on the place command. Place is going to be teaching her to get up on an object and stay on it. This is going to be huge for impulse control. It's going to be really beneficial when the family's eating. It's going to help take some of her mental energy down. So it's going to be a really important one for her. In addition to that, we want to work on the heel command. Right now, Luna loves to pull on the leash. She has a really strong nose, and so she'll just kind of drag you around, and then she gets excited and starts jumping. So that heel command is going to teach her to walk nicely next to us, which is going to be big. In addition to that, we want to work on the nuisance behaviors. The jumping, we're going to be working on an off command, as well as leave it. Leave it's going to help with stealing any food, putting anything in her mouth, just giving the kids some space if she's too much in their face. So that's also going to be a really important one for her. We are so excited to work with her. She is so cute. So make sure you stay tuned for her transformation. Hi, good girl. Okay. Oh, hi. Okay. Oh,